So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add multiple images to variants on Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go to Shopify, your admin panel, which will look something like this. So from here you can see orders, products, customers, marketing, online store, apps, as well as settings and some other features in the top right as well. So from here go to your products first. And you can do that just by going to some of your products. So let's go to stuff. And on there you can see on the right side theme template and stuff like that. You can also if you have the option, find variants on there as well, but let's use it a bit more simple way to change it. Go to apps and then go to add. Once you scroll down you can see here Shopify App Store, and from there you can just go ahead and type in image variant. Once you search for that, you can see here SA variant image automator. You can see variant option, product options, and stuff like that. So this will be your best bet. You can see it's quite good rated as well. And you can go to install and you can then add more variants, or rather more pictures to your variants, just by installing it for free. And then you can add it or embed it to your website. If you go to online store, so that will be your website, you go to themes, and you will see the option to app embed once you click on customize. So from here you can see this option, app embeds, to add the apps you've downloaded. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.